Hello students, good morning to all of you. Here I am going to discuss second part of number system. In the previous video, we have already discussed the introduction of number system, what is a number system and their different types like decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. Today we will discuss how to convert all the number system. So first is conversion of decimal into binary number. How to convert decimal number into binary number? Decimal means the numbers which lies from 0 to 9, and in which form we want? We want in a 0 and 1 form. Binary number lies in 0 and 1. Yeah, this number is understood by computer. First what we will do, if any question will come, divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Like question is 25 we have to convert in binary. Question is first, write down, divide the given decimal number with the base 2. With that 2 we have to divide 25. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. And what we have to write the remainder, like here 25 divided by 2. Here we will write remainder. So let's divide. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Remainder will be 1. And again we will divide 2 in the 2 table. 2 6 is 12. Then remainder will be 0 because 12 is here, so remainder will come 0. Again we will divide. 2 3 is 6. Remainder is 0. Again we will divide. 2 1 is 2 and remainder is 0. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. So here is 1 came, we need 0. So again divide. 2 0 here and 2 1 is 2. And our answer will be 1 1 0 0 1. Why we have written 1 1 0 0 1? Because rule is written, write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order. We have to write in the reverse order to form the binary, means from bottom to top we have to write. Hope it is clear. One more question, let's check. Example take 36. So here divide from 2. We have to divide from 2 and remainder we have to write. Right side 2 1 is 2. Here 1 is there given. 2 8 is 16. Remainder is 0. Again 2 9 is 18. Again remainder is 0. Divide it again. 2 4 is 8 and remainder is 1. Again divide. 2 2 is 4 and remainder is 0. 2 1 is 2 and remainder is 0. Again 2 0 1. You can leave here also, otherwise you have to write like this. And the last step is, when 1 will come, write here 0 and write this one here. And we have to write in a reverse order. So 1 0 0 1 0 0. This is in the form 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. So this answer is, this is the binary form of 36. Hope it is clear. Nothing you have to do, just divide, write the remainder right side, and when it will come 0 here or it will come 1 here, so this one you can write here and write here 0. So this will be the binary form. Now you can convert anything. Nothing you have to do, just divide with the 2 because we are converting in a binary form. That's why we are dividing from the 2 and divide it. When it will come, when remainder will come, write here 1, and if it will divide totally, then write 0. That's it. And in the last, write in the reverse order. Second topic is version of binary to decimal. Now it will give in the form of 1 and 0, and we have to convert in the form of from 0 to 9. So what we will do, here the step is written, multiply each binary number with its positional value. So with the positional value we have to multiply binary number, which is in terms of power of 2. So first we need to learn how to give a positional value. Nothing you have to do. From the right side you have to write 0 in the increasing order. It will start from the 0, and in the increasing order you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will be continue up to your value, binary number. So this is, we have written the positional value, which is in the term of power of 2, starting from the extreme right side. As I have discussed, it will start from right digit, or it will continue up to your value. Now second, increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. So we have increased 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the base will be 2 because we are converting binary to decimal. Then the base will be 2. Calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. So here we have written 0 into base will be 2 and place value is 0. Next is 1. This one we have written here, 1 into base will be fixed and the positional value will be increased. 1 into 2 the power 1. Next 0 into 2 the power 2. Last one, 1 into 2 the power 3. So here we will calculate 0. Any digit, if power is 0 written, then value will be 1. Any digit, I have written here 53 the power 0, then value will be 1. 256 power 0, then the value will be 1. So any digit is, if in the power 0 is written, then value will be 1, and multiplying anything with 0, the value will come 0. 1 into 2 the power 2, then 2 1 ja 2. 0 into 2 the power 4, but 0 into 4 0. 1 into 2 the power 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 1 ja 8. Now we have to calculate the sum of all the products. So we have to do sum of all the product plus 8. Answer will be 10. Got it? It will be in the form of decimal. Got it? Next question, one more example we will solve. What we have to do, first put the positional value 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to multiply it. First we will write this one, 1 into base will be 2. Base is fixed, it will be 2. And what is the positional value? 3. Next write plus 0 into 2 the power 2. 0 into 2 the power 1. 1 into 2 the power 0. Now write here 1 into 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here we will calculate like this, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 times we have written. Now here we will multiply anything, it will come 0 because we have to multiply from 0. So it will be 0, that's why I am directly writing here 0. Here also 0 is given, then the value will come 0. Now here check, 1 into 2 the power 0, and 2 the power 0 means value will be 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Now 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, then value answer will be